When you're getting your numbers together for a piece of property that you're fixing up to flip or you're fixing it up to rent, don't use the WAG method. This is Rick Jarman, Real Estate Investing Old School. And you say, what is the WAG method? Well, in construction, the WAG method is a wild ass guess. The quickest way to mess up on your numbers is just to guess. Now, you've heard me talk about getting your numbers together before you go to the bank. Verify them. Don't just guess. It takes some time. Don't use the WAG method. Now, I've been sitting here for about 2 hours working on a set of plans, estimating them. You know, I told y'all I'm thinking about building a little rental house if I can make the numbers work out on a lot I've got. And I hadn't sat down and figured a set of plans in 4 years. And I know a lot of people may use estimating programs and all this stuff today, but I am old school. I know it takes 3 bundles of shingles to make a square. I know how many bags of mortar it takes to lay 100 blocks, how many bags of mortar to lay 1,000 brick. So I thought that day, I'd just go on the internet and just see if these numbers I've been using all these years are still what they're doing. So the best I could tell, they were. So anyway, the whole process what I'm talking to you about. Now you think I want to be sitting here for 2 hours punching in numbers, measuring, I've got old school. This is a old school slide rule right here, folks, that you use for figuring concrete. I put how many inches, how wide, how long, and it'll tell me how many cubic yards of concrete. They used to give you these at the concrete store. If this was the tear up, I don't know where I'd get another one. You need to have you a scale for figuring 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch. Now, if you'd wonder what I'm talking about, when you look at a set of plans, it's like right here. On the set of plans, it'll tell you, it'll say 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. It'll tell you what the scale is. If you go to a different page, it may say 1/8 inch equals a foot. Well, what it's talking about on the architectural scale, it'll show when you lay things out, like if 1/4 inch equals a foot, 4/4 is 4 feet. If 1/8 equals a foot, 8/8 is 8 feet. And this scale's laid out for that. I just thought I'd throw it out there. It's not about anything today what I'm wanting to talk about, but nowadays everybody just punches everything into the computer and it tells them what everything is. But I've been sitting here, I just know how to do it one way. And it's worked a lot of years and seemed to work, so I just have been sitting here doing it. And it got me to thinking, like I said, when you get ready to estimate your house you're flipping or the house that you're buying to fix up and remodel to get your numbers to go to the bank, don't guess. You talk to that plumber, you talk to that roofer, you talk to everybody. Get all the numbers, be correct with them. That way you'll know where you're at and you won't be surprised at the end. I hope this has been a little helpful for you today. We'll talk with you tomorrow.